Guys, so we're just gonna get into this makeup tutorial. I did my full face. I just didn't put highlighter on, but I did my full face off camera, and we're just gonna do the eyes. But I don't know what I want to do. There's two ideas that I want to do. One of the looks is like a red, warm, smoky look, and the other one's like a blue, smoky kind of look. Like, I don't know what to do. I am wearing a blue shirt with red and white on it, so if I go with a red, warm, smoky eye, it'll still match my shirt. But I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm going to do a red, warm, smoky eye, halo eye, and then the blue smoky eye will be next video. I think that's what I'm going to be doing. So the palette that I'm going to be grabbing today is the Jaclyn Hill palette, because this palette has like the red undertones, the warm colors and stuff like that. So I'm going to be mostly grabbing this palette for the colors, because I mean it's like a warm red palette, so I'm obviously going to go in with it if I'm going with a warm red halo eye. I'm going to grab this brush right here. This is a Ciate blending brush, and I always grab this brush first. Like when I start my makeup, I always grab for this brush because it's just so good for blending out product and everything. I'm going to go in with this one right here. So yeah, I'm going to take quite a bit of that. Just going to put that right in the crease as our transition shade. And I'm sorry if my hair is really frizzy. It's a lot going on. But I will be doing something with it later on in the video, so it won't be like this the whole video. Now the color I'm going to go in with is going to be a little bit darker than the shade that we just took in the crease. I'm going to take this one right here and do the same exact thing. Just pop that in the crease. And then I'm going to go in with this brush right here from Morphe, and it just comes at a tip, and I'm going to grab the color. I'm just going to go towards a red color, this one right here, and I'm just going to put it on the tip of the brush and take quite a bit of it and blend that right in the crease. And then later we'll blend it out with that brush that we took earlier. Now once that is all blended, I'm going to take the same brush that we took the red, and I'm actually going to go in with this one right here. It's kind of like the same kind of brush, but it's just a different brand, and it's like a smaller brush. This is from Walgreens, by the way, and it's two-sided, and I'm going to take this side, and I'm going to grab this color right here. I'm going to grab a little bit at a time and put it on the outer part and the inner part of the eye. I'm actually going to put, before I go any further with this color, I'm going to put some translucent powder under my eye just in case there's any fallout, because I don't remember if this color that I'm going in with has fallout or not. Alright guys, so I took this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Ivory Clair to like clean up the lid space, the middle of the lid, so we could put something on top of it, and so it will pop also. And now I'm going to take this Tartiest Pro palette, and I would take the Jaclyn Hill palette, but it doesn't have a matte white, and this one does. So I'm going to take this color right here, which is called Vintage, and I'm going to grab this small little brush and just tap it right on top. Now I'm going to take this right here, the brush that we applied the dark color, and just blend the edges of that so it's not a harsh line. So I put the white on the brow bone, and now I'm just debating if I want to do a wing. I think it'll be a little bit too dramatic because I'm not really doing anything today, so I feel like if I do a wing, it'll just add another thing and it'll be more dramatic than it already is. So I think I'm just going to take the Ciate London liner, the First Flicks one, and I'm going to put it near my real lashes. It's just a thin line for our falsies, and I'll let you guys know what I take. The falsies, I'll let you guys know. And then I'm going to take the Total Temptation mascara. So I'll be right back. Let me go plop those things on. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer. My lashes I am using. The lashes that I'm using is this e.l.f. Luxe Lash Kit in Starstruck. And yeah, so I'm just wearing those and I really like them. But I did my highlighter also, just a really light glow. I don't really feel like glowing a lot today. But what am I going to be doing? The lower lash line, I'm just going to go with the same colors that I went with and just like put them down there. So I'm going to take this little fluffy flat brush and I'm just going to go in with the first color that we took in the crease. And then I'm going to take the second color that we took in the crease and I'm just going to run it down on the bottom lash line real quick. Oh, and I also put this Smoke and Mirrors black liner on the like top waterline. And then the next color I'm going to be taking is this one right here. And then I'm going to take this Morphe definer brush and I'm going to take the color that we put on our outer corners, and I don't know why, but it's looking really purple. I don't know if it's the white that's lightening it up or what, but I'm gonna take this color and run it really close to my lashes, and I'm also gonna just like pack a little bit on the lid because it looks purple on the lid and I don't want it to look like purple. I want it to look like brown. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to take this right here, the Smoke and Mirrors black liner. You could go in with a white liner. I feel like it would look totally fine, but since this look is like very dramatic, I feel like it needs one. So I'm just going to take the Smoke and Mirrors one and just run it down there, and then I'm going to put on some mascara, and then we'll move on to the lips. Alright, for the lip, I picked out a bunch of lippies, and I just like swatched them on the back of my hand. So I was like picking of what one I wanted, but I was trying to pick something that was nude or red undertone because of the eyes. So it came down to these two, the Cookie Kissable Liquid Lipstick in Mad About Mauve, and the Mellow lipstick in Posh, and I really like this one with it. So I'm gonna go in with this right here. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did straighten my hair. It'll look very non-frizzy now, but in about an hour or two it'll look like a frizzy mess. Since the Coachella makeup look, I've really been wanting to do like a halo makeup look, and I finally did it. Since I uploaded that, I've been wanting to, but I just haven't gotten around to it. So last video I could have done it, I realized that, but I don't know why I did it. I probably just forgot about it, to be honest with you. I actually have a new background, but when I put it on, like, I made sure like nothing like looked like really weird, like if my like my face looks weird or something like that, if I'm looking a little like a different color or something like that. So I don't know if it'll let me show you guys what it looks like. But you see that? I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but it's like blue, like a jean kind of color, and then when you like turn it and stuff, it's so weird. Like when you like bend it and like turn it to a different angle, it's like pink and it looks so cool. But I was gonna use that, but my whole face was literally yellow. It was so weird on how it was like looking. Let's just stay with this and will just probably take it back if I can. I don't know if I can. And we'll get a different fabric. Yeah, so if you like this makeup look right here, then you should give this video a like or comment down below. Either one helps. Let me know by commenting if you like this makeup look right here, because I like it a lot. I really do. I really do. It's not as like red and warm as I wanted it to, but it's okay. It still looks good. I mean, like that brown on the inner part and outer part of the eye, it still looks purple, but I tried. So I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.